Man, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris, man. We back with a little video. Today we in Florida, man. We on vacation. This is our first little vacation together, man. Let's go see Keela. Man, we caught up with Keela, man. Keela, tell him what's up.
What's up?
Man, we going, you know what I'm saying? We about to have a little vacation. We about to have a good time out here in Florida. Me and my family and Keela, we about to be chilling for real, man. We hit y'all when we get back to the beach. Man, you can't even see the beach. I don't even know y'all can see the beach. Look. It's raining and lightning. We got a nice little storm brewing. Watch right here. Back up. Quit moving. Yeah, it's just sticking up. Look, it's sticking up. That's the lightning. Come back here. Come here. Look, that's crazy, dude. It's back down. Look, it's back down. Man, the pool, the beach got canceled. You know what I'm saying? It started thundering and stuff, so we had to come back to the house. Got in the pool. See Keela. You know what I'm saying? You see me. We better go under a little bit, do a little swimming. Let's see. But yeah, man, we kind of just chilling. We had the little storm kick us out, so we're gonna swim for a little bit. See, Keela gonna try to get in. Maybe watch a little movie or something. But we hit y'all back later. Man, what's up, man? Keela wanted a little frappe, so we had to get out. You know what I'm saying? We were on to McDonald's to get a little frappe. You know what I'm saying? But today is the first day we've been here. How you think it's been going so far?
It's been okay.
Yeah, everything been going pretty good. It's been kind of raining, so we really ain't been able to do no whole lot. But other than that, everything been pretty good, man. So we grab this frappe and we get y'all back. All right, you see what's in the background, man? We, you know what I'm saying, on the way to McDonald's, we seen the Starbucks, so we had to get a little Starbucks, and I got a little caramel ribbon crunch. It look pretty good, man. That shit look bussin'. What you got, Keela?
Got the strawberry frappe.
She got a strawberry frappe. It look pretty good, so I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm ready to try it out. And then I got, you know what I'm saying, got my mama a little same thing what I got, but we're gonna let y'all know how they taste. Keela say her kind of water. She give me the straw, man. Let's see. Let me see. Got your little mix on it. Got your little. All right. Make this right here. And that's pretty good, man. It really tastes the caramel. There's a lot of caramel in it. Wait, this real good. Here, look how good that thing look. Come on, stop playing. That's a bust.
That's good.
But I give mine. Let me see.
Wait, let me stir it up.
I'm gonna taste yours. I'm gonna rate them real quick. I'm gonna drink all yours. Gotta bring freeze. I keep like a little 6 out of 10. Cause like she said, it's a little watered down. So I give it a little 6. Mine, I'm gonna get mine get this thing right, get a little scared up. Get her a 6 out of 10 just cause it's a little watery. I get it, what you get this? I get this here.
8.
Yeah, I would say 7.5 or 8. We'll give it an 8. I get this one an 8 out of 10. What you get that one? I said that one's 6 because it's kind of watery. Like it tastes good, it's just watery.
Yeah.
But man, we about to hit y'all back. We about to ride back to the, you know what I'm saying, ride back to the house. We'll see y'all back then. All right, man. Last time we recorded was yesterday. We really didn't do nothing. We inside and the boys kind of played Madden and stuff, so we didn't really do nothing for real. We was just chilling, but now you see we on the grill. See the big chef on the grill. We got little steaks cooking now. We got chicken and shrimp and vegetables. Something slight, you know what I'm saying? We can make little fajitas. Keela making TikToks. Everybody kind of chilling by the pool, man. But yeah, today been pretty good. We went fishing. We didn't really catch a whole lot. Then we all went on the beach. It's pretty fun. But yeah, tell them, hey, Keela.
Hi.
But man, got the shrimp cooking, man. Got the little steak done already. You know what I'm saying? We still got a little stuff cooked. Got the little steaks done. Got my baby trying to do a little something on the grill. Got Big Joe over there, man. Just chilling, just having a good little time. Oh, she gonna mess it up. Look at that. Look at that face. You can tell she about to mess something up. She got a little cute fit on. Look. Got a little cute fit on. Looking good. Now what's up, y'all? Y'all see how Shaquilla act? We finally at the beach. It's not raining. She's acting real bitter right now. Shaquilla, why you acting like that? Man, we in the beach, man. We got Keela at the beach. It wasn't a little cold though. Let me see Keela was doing her throwing
Wait,
that
what is
stuff.
that black thing?
Joe. Yeah, look at them little fish, Joe. Oh, shit. That's a gold. Let me see, we got some fish. Trying to find something cool to record. The water's real pretty. You see how pretty it is.
Come on.
Look, beach. Really pretty looking good.
Pick her up and you come out because there's a drop.
Tell him, Joe. Tell him what's up, Joe. Tell him what's up, Joe. What's up, listen. That's what this is. So we had the little fireworks. Walking the beach, man. Look, we got kind of a little matching fit on, you feel me? Kind of with a little matching fit song. Kid, where you going? The sky's real pretty, the moon's out. We're going what they call a sail. Pretty cool right here, man. This. Wait for me. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it, son. I'm catching. Keep right the foot, but don't scared. I'm coming.
Hey, yo, let's about to catch this crab.
Oh, shit. Oh, that wasn't a crab. That wasn't a crab. That was a fish. Where's Sean? He's right here.
What is it?
He might bite me.
Oh, that is a big crab.
Sean, he's right
Right
here.
here.
I got my net.
Let me see that.
No, it's not a crab. It's a snail.
Oh, it's not a snail.
Gary.
You recording?
Oh,
Let me see. Let me see.
goodness.
Don't move, babe. Stop moving.
I'm sorry.
Stop moving.
Babe, that crab is, ooh.
That's a snail. Pretty on it.
You gonna throw it back?
Look. She's little.
He
Pretty
alive.
on it. Yeah, look, don't move. Listen. Get a little pretty snail on video. I'm tossing it in.
Oh. That is so cool.
I'm gonna light it, man.
See,
See, look. Caught a little crab out here. Oh, look, got some little barnacle on the shell. That's pretty cool.
Barnacle boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna show the brother.
Come on, Kila. Look, we see another little crab. Come on, let's see if I can get him up here. Another little crab. Another little crab. Something cool. It's like back in the water. But that's pretty cool. Another little snail. That's pretty cool.
No way.
Let me hold it.
Watch out, I don't like a bite or anything. See that little thing on the bed right there?
Can I see?
Oh, that's something I used to stick things with, so watch out. I know some snails